Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you an essay on topic terrorism. So before we begin with the video, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's start. Terrorism is an act which aims to create fear among ordinary people by illegal means. It is a threat to humanity. It includes person or group spreading violence, riots, burglaries, etc. Terrorism is an act of cowardice. Also, terrorism has nothing to do with religion. A terrorist is only a terrorist, not a Hindu or a Muslim. Terrorism is of two kinds. One is political terrorism, which creates panic on a large scale, and another is a criminal terrorism, which deals in kidnapping to take ransom money. Political terrorism is much more crucial than criminal terrorism because it is done by well trained persons. It thus becomes difficult for law enforcing agencies to arrest them in time. Terrorism spread at the national level as well as international level. Regional terrorism is the most violent among all because the terrorists think that dying as a terrorist is sacred and holy, and thus they are willing to do anything. All these terrorist groups are made with different purpose. There are some main causes of terrorism: development or production of large quantities of machine guns, atomic bombs, hydrogen bombs, nuclear weapons, missiles, etc. Rapid production growth, politics, social economic problems, dissatisfaction of people with the country's system, lack of education, corruption, racism, economic inequality, linguistic differences. All these are the major elements of terrorism, and terrorism flourish after them. People use terrorism as a weapon to prove and justify their point of view. The riots among Hindu and Muslims are the most famous, but there is a difference between caste and terrorism. Terrorism spreads fear in people. People living in the country feel insecure because of terrorism. Due to terrorist attacks, millions of goods are destroyed, lives of thousands of innocent people are lost, animals are also killed. Disbelief in humanity raised after seeing a terrorist activity. This gives birth to another terrorist. There exist different types of terrorism in different parts of the country and abroad. Attack on World Trade Center on September 11, 2001 is considered the largest terrorist attack in the world. Osama bin Laden attacked the tallest building in the world's most powerful country, causing millions of casualties and death of thousands of people. Governments across the world are making a lot of efforts to deal with it. Terrorism has become a global threat which needs to be controlled from initial level. Terrorism cannot be controlled by the law enforcing agencies alone. The people in the world will also have to unite in order to face this growing threat of terrorism. So guys, that is it for today. Do like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.